Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lannie. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. So today I'm going to try my hand at a braided ponytail. My hair is washed and deep conditioned. It is slightly stretched. I'm going to re-moisturize my hair by using my Mielle Honey and Pomegranate leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to lightly detangle my hair. My hair is not dry. I would never detangle on dry hair, but as usual, I'm going to start at the ends of my hair and work my way up. Next, I'm going to be using this Edge Booster. It is a styling gel. I've never used this gel before. This is my first time, but I've heard a lot of great things about this gel, so I decided I wanted to give it a try. So I'm just gonna part my hair haphazardly. It doesn't have to be neat or anything like that. I'm starting from the back, and I'm putting that gel mostly at the roots of my hair. I'm trying not to get it directly on my scalp, but I'm focusing the gel on the roots. And then I'm just taking my Denman brush and combing that product. I'm not combing all the way down from the roots to the ends. I'm just kind of focusing on the roots of my hair, just to try to get that as smooth as I can possibly get it. After finishing off the back section of my hair, I'm just going to focus on the front, doing the same thing. I'm putting that Edge Booster on the front of my hair and then taking my Denman brush and combing that through. Next, I'm going to take a hard bristle brush and brush my hair. Just trying to make it as smooth as I can get it. I am not looking for a super sleek silk press relaxer type slick look. My hair is type 4. I have texture. The texture is going to come through, and I embrace that. But I'm just trying to get my hair to fit in a ponytail without having, my hair poking out and out of place. Alright, next I'm going to work on my edges, and I'm using the Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold. This is the peach scent. I have 3 scents. I have the peach, the watermelon, and the grape, and they all smell really good. So I'm just going to kind of swoop my edges just a little bit. All right, y'all, we are almost done. I am using this hair that I got from my local beauty supply store. I actually really enjoyed using this hair. It did not tangle on me like a lot of braiding hair can tangle on you. I forgot the name of it, but I will list it in the description below, you guys. And so I'm just taking one bundle plus a couple other pieces from another bundle in that same package. I'm taking a hair tie, and I'm just going to create a little loop just like so I can attach that to my ponytail. I'm taking a little bit more of that gel that I used earlier on my hair, and I'm just putting that on my ponytail so it can kind of blend in a little bit better with the braiding hair. And then I'm going to attach the braiding hair to my ponytail, split my hair and the braiding hair into 3 sections, and then start braiding. As I continue to braid, I'm just going to be feeding in pieces. I did this about 3 or 4 times just to ensure that the braid keeps its thickness until we get to the end. Next, I'm going to take a piece of braiding hair and wrap that around the base of my braid. Next, I'm going to tie my hair up for about 45 minutes or so. The longer you keep it tied down, the sleeker it'll look. So I'm just using two satin scarves here, and I'm putting one on the back so that the back part can be nice and smooth as well, and then one on the front. I'm going to go do my makeup, and then I will see y'all back for the final look. All right, y'all, so this is how my hair turned out, and I absolutely love it. I think it came out super cute, you guys. I am definitely not a professional, but overall, I think the look is beautiful, you guys. This summer, I've been kind of wanting to put my hair away for a little while, so this braided ponytail is perfect. I really like it, so let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Check out my hair playlist for other super cute hairstyles that you can try on yourself or someone else. I love y'all so much. I thank you so much for clicking and watching as always, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.